sacred chord that David played, and it pleased the Lord. But now you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, and the minor fall, and the major lift, and the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof. Her beauty in the moonlight overthrew you, and she tied you to a kitchen chair, and she cut your hair, and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. And baby, I've been here before. I know this room, and I've walked this floor. I used to live alone before I knew you, and I've seen your flag on the marble arch. And love, it's not a victory march, it's a cold, and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. There was a time that you let me know what's really going on below, but now you never do that, do ya? And remember when I moved in you, and the holy dove, it was moving too, and every breath we drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. And maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot at someone who outdrew you. Well, it's not a cry that you hear at night. It's not somebody who has seen the light. It's a cold, and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah,
Tack för det.